Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make sesame ball or ขนมงาทอด And the last video I already make the red bean paste for the sesame ball for the filling. Okay, so today I'm going to form them to the ball, whatever the size I like. So I'm going to show you. Alright, so I'm going to use 1 teaspoon to just get how big the ball that I would like. I think I use 1 teaspoon, and let's see how. It's gonna be about this size here. So I'm going to finish all the red bean paste that I have. Okay, I use 1 teaspoon, but how big is it up to you for the filling. Okay, and next we're going to make the dough. So I'm going to give the filling a cover so they're not dry. So and then I'm going to make the flour. For the dough, first I have a 2.5 cup rice flour. This is a good gluten-free rice flour, the sticky rice. This one sticky rice flour. So 2.5 cup sticky rice flour. Okay, and next 3 tablespoons. This one rice flour. They come in the bag like this. Usually the gluten free it will be green bag, and then rice flour it will be red bag usually. Okay, so 3 tablespoons. They are very similar, but texture all different. So be careful when you use this too. Have to make sure rice flour and the sticky rice flour. Okay, and next it's gonna be 1.5 teaspoon the baking powder. 1.5 teaspoon. Okay, and next going to be the half a cup of sugar, white sugar. And next is going to be salt. I'm just going to put a little bit of salt, just a pinch of salt. Okay. Right, and next I have the potato. I'm going to use 1 cup mashed potato. I didn't mash them yet because I want to show you. I'm just going to use just a regular potato and then just boil them, and then just gonna smash them a little bit, and I'm gonna use 1 cup. And I just mix them a little bit, not have to be really smooth because we're going to mix with the flour anyway. So I'm gonna put I need 1 cup, so I'm gonna put in this my measuring cup. Okay. Alright, so now I have 1 cup my mashed potato. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to mix everything together, and also I have 1.5 cup water, but I'm going to put little by little. This is a warm water. Okay, so I'm going to put little bit by little bit. I'm not gonna put all because you never know. Sometimes your flour, the flour too dry or the flour too wet. So I'm gonna add a little bit at a time. Add a little bit of water at a time. Okay, so my flour a little bit dry today, so I have to add about 2 more tablespoons of the water, 2 or 3 more tablespoons of water. And now look like it's gonna be perfect, but I have to continue massage them a little more, mix them a little more until they smoother than this, and then we go to the next step. Okay, so that's now being about 5 minutes that I mix all the dough together, and the seam is coming out okay right now, so they're not stick on my hand anymore. So now next I'm going to rest the dough for 30 minutes. I'm going to put the plastic wrap cover and let them rest for 30 minutes, and then we can come back for the next step. Okay, so now being 30 minutes that I let the dough rest. Okay, so now I'm gonna take out from the bowl and check them one more time before I'm separate the dough the size that I want it to. So it's gonna be a double size of my filling. I'm just going to get them about 2 inch. We cut them half. Okay. So this is a homemade and only me eat it. So I'm just gonna get the size. And I'm sure I have 42 filling. I'm thinking the dough is not gonna be 42, so I can snack with just a filling. Okay, so I'm just going to cut them about this side. And for the sesame ball, they're very popular snack or dessert for Asian. Not only in China. Hi, baby. Not only in China, but mostly in Thailand or the yes, baby. Or in Asia, yes. I'm sorry. Alright, mommy have to cook, okay? You have to washing, okay? That's okay? Alright. Okay, so we continue. Alright, so now I forget where I'm at. Let me separate all the dough. Okay. I'm gonna separate all the dough by just guessing the size. Gonna be double size of your filling, so it can cover your filling. Okay, and now I have 26 pieces of dough. Now I'm going to load them with the filling. All the filling that we have, like here. No, it should be more filling than the dough. So, just gonna load them. And use my pots about this side. Here, and then put the filling in the middle and then try to cover them. Yeah, this is the first one. Try to make it like circle. Try to make like a ball as much you can. Okay. Okay, don't forget to cover your dough too so they're not getting dry. So this is my first one, and then I'm going to load with the sesame seed. This is a raw sesame seed, not toasted. Try to cover them all much as you can and pass them in, so when you fry them, when they pop it, the sesame seed not come out too much. Okay. Okay, first one, and I'm going to continue to do them all. Same thing, cover. And I'm going to continue. I can show you the one more time. Pass them down, and as about this side of your paws here, and put the filling in the middle, and then try to cover. Anyway, you want some? You want a sesame fill? You want a lesbian paste? You want it? No? The baby said no. No? You don't want to try it? You don't want to try a bite? No. No? So I'm not the professional too, so it take a little bit of time to loading, to cover and everything, but you will make it. Alright, so now I'm done loading all the filling and the dough together, forming to the ball. I have 25 of them total. So I have the extra filling, so I'm gonna eat this is for my dessert, okay? And now we're going to go to the stove and fry our sesame ball. Okay, so while I put the filling together, I have the oil already in the wok, and I turn on to the medium low heat, because you don't want the high heat, because the sesame ball is gonna start burning before it's all done cooking. So now I'm going to start put them. Okay, 3, 4, 5. For the first batch, it will be now done. It will be light brown. If you want more crispy, you can keep it cook it more longer. But for me, the first one I just going to do about light brown because I'm not gonna be able to finish all 25 balls in one day. So I'm just gonna stop it now and then so I can put in refrigerator and then I can warm this in the air fryer. So the first batch it will be just a light brown color. Take about 8 to 9 minutes for the medium heat. And the second batch I will do like a more crispier, darker, and I will show you how I do the second one. And no worry, they're gonna stick together because the sesame will keep them separate, so they're not gonna stick together. But sometimes the sesame seed it will be removed a little bit because they puff them out. So the sesame seed will come out a little bit from the ball, but you still have a lot. So and this is very easy recipe and good snack. We eat this for snack in Thailand or dessert in Thailand. So if I can do this, if you like this, you can do this too. Alright, now the second batch is done too. As you can see, example this one. Did you see the color a little darker? I will show you over here. But I mean they both cook, but it's just one crispy and one is not really crispy. Okay, I'm gonna put on the rack. Oh, I really want to try it right now. And you have to keep mixing them when you cook. If not, if they're stuck in the bottom, it will burn on one side. So better to just keep gentle mix them like this one. If I didn't make them good, they will getting burn spot. They're not burn, but the darker spot. Right, ta-da! It's all done. And you can see one is crispier, darker, and one is lighter. This one is perfect to warm inside the air fryer. Already, I want to try it right now, but it will be super hot. It will burn my mouth, so I have to wait a few minutes before I can show you how it look in the inside. Alright, so now they're cool enough for me to try it and to show you how it look inside. Just grab it, the one on the top. Look at the sound and look at the air pocket inside. Look at the filling. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to try. I'm gonna try a bite with the filling on it. It's still a little warm for me for the filling, but crispy on the outside, and then the sesame when it cooked it tastes really good. They toast it and also they chewy in the inside, crispy on the outside and chewy in the inside, and good for your snack or for your dessert. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.